So finally, ST Telemedia hiring is announced. Graduate engineer role is there and 10 LP is the package. Only freshers are eligible. 2025 batch is eligible. But first understand what is the process, because this is very different opportunity. E-Litmus, because you can see that this hiring posted in E-Litmus platform. So you have to understand. First do one thing. Watch video till end, because technical support engineer, Deloitte mass hiring, and 2 more software engineer, associate engineer role hiring I will tell you in this video. Just update your resume. What to add in your resume I will tell you in this video. Just do step by step what I am saying and apply for these hirings. So first understand, 2025 batch BE BTech electronic and mechanical students are eligible, but PH score is mandatory, so you can take test anytime. Just add this domain in your resume, as it is all domain like BMS, MS Excel, all MS Office suite. Add in your resume and please interpersonal skills also. You can see total package is 13.5 LPA, because 3.5 LPA is the retention bonus. So if you get shortlist, candidate need to visit STT Global Center Bangalore, any location, office at the later date of interview. So you have to understand that no exemption will be made. This means if you shortlist, you have to go there in office to attend the face-to-face interview, which is very normal thing, because you are fresher. They will not accept advanced thing from you. Just if you have clear basic understanding of each and every domain like MS Office suites and whatever skills are written here, then definitely you will get a shortlist and you will definitely get joining also. So this is work from office opportunity. Just apply as soon as possible. But if you don't have any PH score, just go through E-Litmus and try to take assignment and do whatever you want to do. Just score good in assessment, because good PH score is very mandatory. So apply as soon as possible. 10 LP is the package. Next, biggest mass hiring is coming from Deloitte. Analyst role is their Hyderabad location. So in this hiring, all branches are eligible, but what about batches? Means 25 to 2017 batches are eligible, because 5 year of experience is needed, means 0 to 5. So graduate, postgraduate, MBA, all degree, all branches are eligible. Just add this domain in your resume, because interpersonal skills are mandatory. And so 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. is your timing. Hyderabad location is there. Just add this domain in your resume. But I will suggest you to take referral, because if you can see that there is no job ID, but just scroll down and you can see that request code is there. Just give this code and take referral from LinkedIn. But you have to first update your resume, because analyst role is there. Just add a domain in your resume about analyst, like you can add email and Microsoft Office tool also, and Excel. So mandatory, this is mandatory. Communication skill is mandatory. Add sorting, removing duplicate VLOOKUP in your resume and get shortlisted. So please apply as soon as possible. Add these domain in your resume also, like MS PowerPoint. This is very basic thing. This is not nothing यार, बहुत easy है. Just virtual platform like Zoom, and add Zoom and MS Team also. So update your resume, take referral and apply as soon as possible. So next biggest opportunity is coming from Curriculum Associate. This hiring is for pursuing candidates. Engineering intern is their Bangalore location. 5 days ago they posted. Just scroll down. Pursuing master degree in data science, computer science, coding, data structure is mandatory. Python, SQL database is mandatory. See, in internship you will get to see the training. So don't worry, just follow the selection process. Hacker and the one-on-one discussion HR round is there. So timeline is also there, like application invited 10th May is the last day to apply. Selection process begin from 12th May, means your assessment will be on 12th May, and offer rollout last date to accept 21st May. Internship begins on 1st July onwards. So you have to understand that this is paid internship and they are providing you very good amount of salary, like 30,000 per month, and 2 day work from home and 3 day office. This is very great opportunity, because hybrid location is there, and LOR, PPO, everything you will see in this hiring. So please don't miss this opportunity. 25-26 batch is eligible. Just apply as soon as possible. Take referral if you can, because job ID is also mentioned here. If not, so just click on apply button and log in Workday website. Just follow the steps and fill form very carefully and apply as soon as possible. So next great opportunity is coming from Movate. See, opening for technical support engineer role is there, but 1 year of experience is needed. You can see here that minimum 1 year of experience in technical support mandatory. 5.5 LPA package is there. But don't worry, watch video till end. Chennai location is there. US Shift International Voice Process. See, only basic understanding of hardware, software, computer, fundamental networking. That's it. Nothing advanced is written here. Just add these domain in your resume and get shortlist. Just click on easy apply as soon as possible, and you can take referral because HR ID is also mentioned here. So please take referral first. Click on message or first send connection and then message them for referral. So try to take referral as soon as possible and click here on easy apply and apply as soon as possible. First update your resume. Last opportunity is coming from Runas, and this is absolutely for freshers. If you can see that software developer role is there, but the good thing is BE BTech is eligible, don't worry. But fresher entry level job is the Chennai location, full time opportunity. No need of advanced thing is required. Just anyone programming language, computer science fundamentals, database, version control, problem solving, object oriented programming, and interface skill. That's it. Very easy, very basic and clear cut skills are written here, which is mandatory for software engineer, software developer role, or full stack developer roles. Just you see, if you have an internship, this will be plus point, but this is nice to have, not mandatory. But please add cloud domain in your resume, any one of them. Don't underestimate this. Just add this is mandatory. This is preferred, but I am telling you, just add in your resume. So this is full-time opportunity. You can easily see the 5 to 10 LP between them package. So please add these domain in your resume. Don't underestimate this hiring. This is mass hiring as well. Just you need to be shortlist your resume and everything is written here. Just add these domain in your resume and get shortlist. Click on apply now. First they ask for resume, give you updated resume, then fill education and click on I am not robot and click on submit application. So this is biggest opportunity. Just think about this. I already told you fresher entry level software developer role hiring for BE BTech students, and you can see that here I also told you non-tech opportunity, and this is for pursuing candidates. This is for all candidates, means tech, non-tech, all are eligible, and this is for chemical mechanical students, 10 LPA package. So why are you not subscribing my channel? Because 80% are those who are watching my videos but not subscribed yet. So please do subscribe our channel, like this video, put notification in all notification, and please join WhatsApp and Telegram channel as well. So please subscribe our channel. Don't do this that you are watching my videos and not subscribing me, but if you are getting benefit then only you are watching my videos. So please do subscribe also. This will motivate me to do more videos. So please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.